Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to earn money online with the Temu affiliate program? In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to set up your Temu affiliate account right from your PC. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Temu affiliate program website. You can do this by searching Temu affiliate program on Google or typing the URL directly if you have it. If you are new to the program, click on sign up button. If you already have an account, simply log in. For new users, you will need to enter your email, create a password, and agree to the terms and conditions. Alright, once you are logged in, complete your profile by entering your personal details. Like uh, be sure to add your payment method so you can receive your commissions. Now, browse the available products and generate your unique affiliate links. Simply select a product. Now, click on Get Affiliate Link and copy the URL provided. Share your affiliate links on social media, blogs, YouTube, and anywhere you engage with potential buyers. The more people click and purchase through your links, the more you earn. Monitor your affiliate performance using the demo dashboard. You can track clicks, sales, and commission earnings in real time. And that's it. You are now set up and ready to start earning with the Temu affiliate program. Don't forget to stay consistent, share your links often, and watch your earnings grow. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.